Okay, now let's work on some pronunciation of these adjectives. We will look at the adjective and we will also look at the opposite. So the first word is calm. Calm. The opposite, temperamental. Temperamental. Number 2, impartial. Impartial. And its opposite, biased. Biased. Number 3, open-minded. Open-minded. And its opposite, intolerant. Intolerant. Number 4, well-organized. Well-organized. And the opposite, disorganized. Disorganized. Number 5, attentive. Attentive. And its opposite, forgetful. Forgetful. Number 6, encouraging. Encouraging. And its opposite, discouraging. Discouraging. Number 7, self-disciplined. Self-disciplined. And the opposite, uncontrolled. Uncontrolled. And our last one, domineering. Domineering. And the opposite, passive. Passive. Well done on that pronunciation. Go back and watch this video again if you need a little bit of extra practice.